Hello all, today we will demonstrate on how to make a Kentico 12 CMS website with extension-less URLs. For example, here you can see a SPX extension in the demo site. Therefore, now we are going to make it extension-less. For that, we need to log in to Kentico 12 CMS Desk with your credentials. Then, go to the Configuration section in the Administration panel and select Settings. First, select your website in the listings if you have multiple websites. Then, go to URLs and SEO under the Content section for URL format. For extension-less URL, remove ASPX from friendly URL extension. Then save the changes. Now go to Live website, you can view extension-less URLs. For example, earlier news page URL is /news.aspx. After changes in settings, new extension-less URL is /news. Now if you want to go back and make friendly URL extension to ASPX, just add ASPX in friendly URL extensions settings. Then save the changes. Therefore, with these settings, you can view a SPX extension for all the URLs in the Kentico 12 website. Thank you for watching this video.